There is a saying in Zhongke AMD that myriad things can be sorted. In this case, can the HDPET flakes with the same material be separated? The answer is yes. As the global pioneer in optical sorting, AMD has been committed to providing customers with integrated plastic sorting solutions. Our U-series intelligent sorting equipment uses a customized high-precision optical system which can accurately detect and separate the aging flakes and the fluorescent flakes. The concentrate light source system is efficient, stable, and reliable. The unique image enhancement algorithm can identify extremely faint flaws. Well, how is the performance of our aging flakes sorter? Let's find out. Sorting creates more regenerative value. If you're looking for plastic sorting equipment, choose AMD.